You're doing very well. I'm taking a really good look. You may feel some pressure here and there. If you feel like passing gas, go ahead. I'm putting air in and out. Take a really good look. No shame. It's not going to smell. We're all used to it. Okay, now let's try to hold the gas. Few seconds. I need to look carefully here. Great job. Now this is the last part. We're in your rectum. You'll feel some pressure in your rectum. Great job, Mr. Lee. Let me take some air out. Everything went well. You'll go to the recovery room. I'll come and talk to you when you're more awake. Great job.